Maliit na to, di ba?
Oh, basta yan.
Sana.
Eh, bigay mo. Hindi nakasya kay mga... Basta yung mga hindi nakasya sa kanya dyan.
Mga gantong hando, bibigay ko na ba?
Bigay mo na. Hindi naman papasok
Bibigay ko kayo, dami nakatago ni Mami. Ito.
Ayan.
Ano? Ako may isang pantalo ni.
Alam ko may isa pa ako nakita dyan na pantalo na maiksi eh.
Ito.
Yan, bigay mo na yan. Hindi nakasya. Tokong na kay Mati yan.
May isa tayong parang manipis na forma.
Nandun na ata, nakatupi ata ako sa may mga cabinet.
Matanda mo to.
Kumain yung dalawa.
Kuhain na to.
Sabi ko po.
Huwag yan, kay Francia galing yan. Di ba
Is that an airplane? You see that? Do you see that?
Ito yung dalawa.
Ayan si Mati, ito si Rolte.
Is that an airplane? Did you see that?
Bakit ako nakapit?
Ay,
Did you see that?
ito si Rolte.
Diyan ka siya kasama niya sa isa.
Mati, oh, ito Tito Ringo. Oh, dami niyang kinain.
Ano po?
Alam ko na sa hotel kayo. Nabasa ko yung chat.
Ngayon pa lang. Nakalipat lang nila, kukunin pa lang namin yung card. Yung key card.
Mainam na lang gamot ka eh.
Oo, iminom na mamaya na ulit gabi.
Pagka ngayon ng gabi niyan, kalahati ng timpla yung muna yan. Kasi yung sinusukan niya, hindi ito perfect yun. Yung lagima niya yun.
Problema nga niya.
Did you see fire? It said, did you see fire? What did you see?
Hindi niya tinagamit ang kamo to, di ba?
Ano yan? Yung long sleeve na puti. Ayan, makasya pa ba sa kanya yun?
Ma, nasa fort tayo.
Alam ko doon sa cabinet, kuya, yung mga tinupi namin ni Kurt, yung cabinet na puti sa loob, may mga...
It's really nice time, bro. Good night.
Wala na yung bigay mo na kala Flex yun, hindi nakasya kayo belt kay Maki yan.
12 hours later. Ooh, good morning.
Bigay mo na yan, hindi nakasya kay Mati yan.
Oh, what's
Di ba may pajama yan? Hindi nakasya kay Mati yan. Tokong na yun.
Terminal to Mount Metro. Kakanan ito. Dito.
Oh. It's evening.
Sige na.
Sige.
Oh, it's nothing. Good night. 12 hours later. Ooh.
Terminal yan.
Good morning, guys.
Dito ako papasok. Dito ako pa rin. Puro ka pa rin kaliwa.
Wow, look at those.
Kailan mo manilin yung pamaris tayo.
Oh my god, it's night again. Okay. Good night, guys.
Biglaan, nagmamadali ka.
100 hours later. Oh. Oh, it's evening already, but it's raining. Good morning. Oh my god, it's night again. Day, night, day, night, day, night, day, night, day, night, day, night, day, night. Never mind, let me... Wow, look at that, boys.
Dito kami. Ito kami kakabit. Ang dami tao.
Almost. Night. Okay, then good night. 12 hours.
Alam mo, nakay picture ko yan.
Pipicture ka to kayo kasi alam mo maganda ka ngayon.
Oh,
Pag ako pangit, di mo
morning.
kung ako pogi, di mo pinipicture.
wow, look at the bridges.
Ano kayo gagawin dito? Pwede kayo gagawin pa dito.
I think we're in Solar, guys. Or Okada. We're in
Santa Elena.
Solar Okada.
Ano pa rin? Malakas ang Santa Elena.
Are we in Solar, guys, or Okada? Look there. I think so.
Wala din. May gumawa ng Okada.
Wait,
Ah,
that's
siya pa
for
gumawa ka na?
Oo.
Ah, siya pala?
Sila ang contractor
Wait.
nun.
wait.
Pala yan.
It's what?
Kaya mag-supermarket muna tayo.
Is that Okada? It's totally Okada, boy. I think
Mami,
there's
dito na tayo.
what does that mean? Oh, I think there's some mountains over there.
Kailangan natin ito para
Wow. Wow, look at that.
Antay mo.
Whoa, look at that Okada bus. Oh wow, that's so many, bro. We're in Okada already, yay! But there's solar. Tag, there's some solar and Okada, guys. Whew, what is that? We're going in, guys. Look at that. We're going to Okada, yay! There's some more. Wow, maybe we're stopping because I think we're on outside. Oh, we're not outside. I'm just joking. Let's go then. I think there's some canine over here.
Ay, hindi mo rin
Let's go
makasembol.
to there. Totally.
Okay na? Okay. Hello po. Hello po.
Bro, did you see that canine? I mean canine.
That's K8, man.
What? Totally? K8 or K9?
Because it's small. That's K9.
Siyempre mo nakamalian yung anak ko.
Is that K8 or K9?
K8.
K9.
K9 ang yung may aso, dad.
How about K12? What's K12?
Walang aso. Pag K8, walang aso, okay?
Ano ka?
K9.
K ano ka?
K-pop na.
Ay, kibabangan ko na welte.
Hindi si daddy yun. Hindi si mate. Gwapo yung anak ko. Tingin nga.
Tingin niya, bubulay mo na.
Mati naman, nagbabidyo ako ng Okada. Look at these, guys. We're in guest parking.
Ewan ko sa ikaw
Is that
Alam
red?
mo sa akin, tanga-tanga.
Never mind, just
Saan sinabi?
that's...
Ano niya? K
Let's go,
ano?
guys.
K2 lang.
K9.
B52.
Look at this, guys. Oh, we're here.
Bahalot to. Bahalot to.
We're near, guys. We're near. Wow, look at these Okada. There's some... Okada means... Okay. Okada means there's some what is that? Oh, fountain. There's some fountain. It will grow bigger into the sky, guys. Look at that. What is that whole thing in there? Lights. I think they're parking or getting away. Whoa, there's so many cars in here because they're guest parking. Oh, I think it's not available. It's unavailable. It's available. Unavailable.
Para di na tayo mag-park para bibili na lang ako sa ano.
Oh my God, what is
Para na
this?
mag-drive. Ako na lang tatakbo sa ano.
What's this? Wow, but look at that, guys. Let's find a parking, okay, guys. Exit Coral Wing. Exit Coral Wing and Crystal Corridor. It's there, guys. It's over there straight.
Ito ba naging 52 to? Hindi naman 52. Alam ko, bobo. Alam ko, bobo ka.
Matayo may mga gamit para makakuha
Okay.
dito prank rin.
Bye, guys.
Ay, hindi ka pala
See you to the second one.